Why are you here? Because today I'm the one who's going to be speaking about JavaScript. What? Get out of here so I can start. Alright, Optimus. Today we're going to be speaking about conditionals in JavaScript. There are three types of conditional in JavaScript. Let's look at them with the help of examples. First, let's take a look at the if conditional statement. If conditional statement is very simple. If conditional statement gets executed if the condition is true. Let's look at the example. Let's just say where a equals 2. Let's just write a conditional. If a double equals to 2. I hope you remember the double equals conditional from our data types video. And let's just say console.log I am executed. And it works. Let's just change the conditional to a greater than 2. And we don't see anything happening because a is equal to true, not greater than 2. Let's just say a greater than or equals to 2. And the condition is executed. And that is if conditions for you. Alright, now let's take a look at if else condition. The if condition gets executed if the condition is true. The else statement gets executed if the condition is false. Let's just say else console.log I am else. Let's just change the value of a to 1 and we say else is executed because a is greater than or equal to 2. 1 greater than or equal to 2 is false. So else is executed. Alright, now let's take a look at else if condition statement. Let's just clear this code. Let's start from the beginning. Let's just say where a equals to 5. Let's just say if a greater than 10 console.log I am greater than 10. Now we are going to be looking at else if. Else if is just a method of adding a condition to the if else statement. Let's just say else if a greater than 5 and let's just say console.log I am greater than 5 and let's keep the else statement else console.log I am less than 5 because the value of var a is equals to 5 else statement gets executed. Let's change the value of variable a to 6 and we can see console.log I am greater than 5 is executed because a greater than 5 is true but a greater than 10 is false. We can add multiple else if statements if you want. So let's just see an example. Let's just say else if a greater than 7 and let's just say console.log I am greater than 7. Let's change the value of variable a to let's just say 8. But we get I am greater than 5. Curious, right? To understand this, let's come from the if statement. Now, a greater than 10 is false because 8 is less than 10. So, this statement doesn't get executed. Now, JavaScript moves to this line of code and checks for this condition 8 greater than 5 is true. And so, console.log I am greater than 5 is executed. And then, JavaScript exits a loop. That is, if the first condition is satisfied, it doesn't even check for the remaining condition. What happened over here is the else if condition was satisfied. So the rest of the code was not even executed and skipped. That is a gotcha for you when writing conditionals in JavaScript. Not only in JavaScript, this is almost common to every programming language out there. I hope you learned something. Like if you love the video, subscribe for more content like this. I hope you see you around in the playlist, comment down your views, and thank you.